Palakwachera, we're going to a memorial here in Bastogne. Come and join us. We will see how is the memorial here in Bastogne in Belgium. This is my first time actually to go to the memorial. I've been here in Bastogne before 2 times. This is my 3rd time, but this is the first time that I will go to the memorial. This is a historical place here in Bastogne. So come, we will have a look. How is the memorial? How the memorial look like? Actually, this is the American memorial. As you see, look, we will check. It's quite big and huge. Look at this. Look, the state of America is writing on the top actually. So picture muna kayong dalawa. Ayan, magpo-pose muna tayo dito sa harapan ng memorial. So ito yung harapan ng memorial. Paikot actually siya. You will see here the flag of America. Ayan o, andyan ang Germany flag, Belgium flag. So ganun, paikot siya. So you will see all Alabama, Nevada. So dito sa mga itong paikot na to, so makikita nyo yung iba't ibang state ng America. Oh, ayun o, flag ng Germany. So ang laki niya, huge talaga siya. Ayun o, kita yung Georgia. So lahat ng state ng America, it's here actually in this memorial. Ang ganda mag-picture kasi it's a very quiet place actually. So peaceful here. Ayan, behind us is the memorial. So we picture muna kami dito. Look, that's the memorial. At kami lang ata ang tao dito. At you see here overlooking actually. Here, mababasa nyo rito. You can read the history here. So what happened here before during the World War II. Yes, and there's the overlooking. Yeah, ang ganda sa overlooking. So picture. So this is the memorial. Now after you want to go to the toilet, so here the history, you can read it from here. The memorial funds, the Madrasan Memorial, as you see over there. And over here actually they have the restaurant and the War Museum. So you can go to the War Museum inside here. So they also have a tank. Ayan, they have a tank inside of the War Museum. You see inside War Museum, this is how it is. the inside of the War Museum. Actually, yeah, hindi kami nagbayad kaya we need to go out so a quick ganyan. And outside, merong nagpe-painting, mga painting, and even the old car you can see outside because it's summer, so I have a lot of things here by the memorial. Yeah, it's nice here in the memorial. Look. So may mga tangke-tangke pa dito. So in the surrounding of the memorial also, from the history, yung mga ginamit nila dito sa lugar na to. So ganito siya. Sa Bastone. Sa Bastone. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. Maraming salamat po. This is Bastone and we are going to the city center after this. So you can join us. We can go to the city center of Bastone. So watch the other video and you will see the city center of Bastone. And this is actually from the nurses. Salute to the nurse who are helping to the people. Thank you guys.